Alright everyone, I brought you here for a special trip today. Because summer is fading away and fall is coming, we are going on a camping trip, everyone. Okay, Freddy, we do appreciate you bringing us on a camping trip. Me and Bonnie do appreciate it. But I do have one question. Why is it like Minecraft Flatland? Huh, Freddy? Jeez. Foxy. Let me show you behind you. Huh? What's behind you? Oh, never mind. I guess it's not fun mode. As I was saying, Freddy, you weren't really saying. Foxy, I don't want to do this. But if you interrupt me again, I am gonna have to curse another time. Got it? As I was saying, we should probably get stuff for the campfire and tent. Yeah, that kinda is smart, Freddy, so let's go do that. Wait, for Bonnie! Let me hit the bunny. Yeah. Oh, come on, you guys! Ugh. Got to find some sticks. Ooh, a stick. This will be very helpful. Yeah. Ooh, a stick. This will be very helpful. Yeah. Ooh, a stick. This will be very helpful. Yeah. Alright, I gotta get some wood. Alright, this one will be helpful. Come on, off! Come on! I really should just have a punch him. I wonder how the others are doing. Ooh, hey, long stick. This will be helpful. And not only I could probably use this for fire and tent, but use this for something else. So let's see what the crafting table. Damn, a stick. Maybe we're gonna be fun. Well, talk about this. There we go. Let's see. Ooh, a stick. Come on. Grab! Ooh, wait a minute. This is not Minecraft. This is real life. Oh, well, at least I can break this in half. Ooh, a stick. This will be helpful. Yeah. Ooh, a stick. This will be helpful. Please, I am the stick. Do not steal me. Please, I've lost many of my brothers. Come for a tree. It's separated. And their baby or something. Please, do not take... That won't actually work. I'll try something else. Oh, it didn't work. Let me try it. Be gone, talking stick. Yeah. Let's see. Double sticks. Yeah. Let's call for a celebration. I got you now. What's he doing? Getting attacked by a feral wolf or something? Wait, he was attacked by a bear and he's a bear. Oh, that makes sense. Oh, let's try that again. Man, this won't work. Yeah, there you go, you have 2 sticks. Oh, a stick. Yeah. Oh! 2. You know what? I'm gonna go empty. Okay. Yeah. Okay, let's try this. Ooh, perfect. Let me get the other one. Okay, there you are. Ooh, more stick. Jesus. I got a very long stick. That is very helpful with food on it. Oh. But Camp is gonna be happy. But I don't think it's for us. Yeah, well, I'm still eating it by myself. Yeah. Okay, guys. Bunny, you did good. Foxy, where's yours? I tried to break one off a tree, but I couldn't, so I'm empty-handed. You empty-handed? Come on now, Foxy. Well, I've done better than you. Even though I got more sticks still, you did better than you. Well, Thanks, Freddy. Ain't no put on me. Alright, look at us team. Look at us, okay? And now, since Foxy didn't get the wood, you may set the fire. So, Foxy, to be honest. Oh, thanks, Bear. Alright, let's do this. Come on. guys! What? What? Oh. I can eat my food! Freddy, that's disgusting. What's disgusting is you having fangirls. At least I wasn't the one who forgot the tent. At least I'm not the one who's really annoyed by a bear that has anger issues. You what? Oh yeah, you heard me, Foxy. Say that again. Oh, you heard me. Say that again. Huh? What's that? Say that again, I dare you. Like what I said, you heard me. Say that again, like what I said. At least I'm not the one who's a retard. Oh yeah? Well, so are you. You have anger issues. I'm not a retard because I have anger issues. Yes, you are. No, I'm not. Yes, you are. No, I'm not. Hey guys, you should check this out. Well, at least I'm not the one who's fat. At least I didn't lose an eye and a hand. Guys. Well, you know what, Bear? I've decided to end this once and for all. Oh, me too, Foxy. Me too. Me too. Guys, stop fighting. Come look at this. Well, we end this tonight, Bear. Guys. Any last words, Bear? Yeah, I'm gonna rickroll you when I'm a girl. Guys, look at this. What? Guys, follow me. Look at this. What the heck is this place? I don't know, Foxy. Let's check this out. Whatever. Okay, it should be long enough before the owner of this house finds us. Alright, guys, let's explore. Okay, guys, I know this scenario. I've been watching a lot of horror movies recently. So whatever you do, don't get fooled by anything. Okay, Foxy. Oh, it's cool. Let's do that. Oh! Oh! What the? Oh! I'm feeling a little sleepy. Allow me to introduce myself. My name is Ben. Look, you can call me Ben. But you all three are in serious trouble. Yes. You. I'm going to introduce. You see, I was not one but two behind. I've been. Yep, all of you are going to get through this. All of you. All of you. Huh? What the hell? What are you doing? Ah, my eye! Damn it, huh? Even more. Good job, buddy. Out of there. Yeah. Ain't no problem, man. Just the money. Huh? Come on, let's go before he gets us.